Good morning, I'm Aditya Shatra and this is a machinery project called wind tunnel. So, a wind tunnel is a machinery part that helps us to understand aerodynamics. Some parts of the wind tunnel are: this is the mist generator, this is the converging area, this is the observation area, and this is the diverging area. From here, the mist generates and comes here towards the observation area. Here we can observe the air directions acting differently with different objects. Like here we have a small model of an airplane wing. So when we move the wing with our app in the mobile phone, we will understand when it will make turbulence and the air affects the shape differently. We can also test sports equipments like this ball and we will keep it here. By the help of the app, we will move this ball and understand the turbulence, and we can make our life easier by using a wind tunnel. Thank you.